Good morning. My name is Dr. Ripon Padgiri. I'm going to present Secret Store, a secrecy as a service model to enable the cloud storage to store users' secret data. My co-authors are Malaya Datta Bora and Lai Prakman Dalendra Singh. We are from National Institute of Technology, Silchar. This is my content. Security, secrecy, and privacy become the paramount concern for users, vendors, and countries. Data secrecy is a major concern in many domains. Nowadays, data are kept in tight security with high privacy. Our problem statement is users do not want to share their secret information with anyone. However, the user's confidential data are not protected from administrators. Therefore, we consider the administrator as an adversary. Administrators can read the user's data. Administrators are termed as valid and employed mallory. Now, question is, why should any administrator read user data? For instance, A would upload its data to the cloud server S. So A will encrypt the data, and S will receive the data and decrypt the data and retrieve the uh, raw data and insert the raw data into the cloud server. So for S, the secret data of A is not anymore secret. Our key objective is to address hard secrecy, which implements the only me philosophy to implement secret cloud storage. Our key contributions are: we propose a novel secret cloud service model called Secret Storage, or Secret Store for short, which implements secrecy as a service and follows the hard secrecy protocol. It enables the users to store their most sensitive data in cloud without worrying about data secrecy and data privacy. Our proposed system, Secret Store, is a cloud storage model where data are stored at server side. The server stores encrypted data in its database, and data are not allowed to access by anyone except the data owner itself. Consequently, there is a significant challenge in maintaining private keys in our proposed system. A user cannot maintain its private keys permanently like a server, as a user can switch its platform frequently. Moreover, a user's device can be damaged or lost at any time. For instance, uh, a user can switch its platform from mobile to laptop, laptop to desktop, desktop to tablet. Therefore, a user cannot maintain its private key permanently. Therefore, we propose a regenerative private key method. A private key can be generated or regenerated using a secret word and a number, that is a password. However, the password-based solution has a weakness of weak passwords. Therefore, we demonstrate how to strengthen the weak password using a secret word and a number. This method provides highly unpredictable and cryptographically secured private keys. We illustrate the randomness of the generated private keys using the NIST SP 822 statistical test suite. Thus, our major challenge has been achieved by implementing PRNG to implement Secret Store. Therefore, Secret Store presents secret as a service, or secrecy as a service, or user secrecy as a service model. Next, we are moving to that our proposed system architecture. User uploads data using two-layered encryption, where server decrypts the first layer but cannot decrypt the second layer encryption. Therefore, the server stores the cipher data in its database. For instance, A encrypts the data using its own private key, and again that encrypted data will be encrypted by shared secret key to send to upload to the cloud storage. And cloud storage can decrypt the first layer of the encryption, and second layer of the encryption cannot be decrypted by a server. So therefore server will store the encrypted data. The data are encrypted at client side using its private key before transmitting to the server. Client and server establishes a secure connection and agreed upon a shared secret key. Client encrypts the encrypted data again using shared secret key. Server decrypts the received data from client using shared secret key. Server is unable to decrypt the encrypted data using private key of the client. Thus, server stores the user's encrypted data, but the server cannot decrypt the raw data. Moreover, the server cannot scan viruses due to encrypted data by the user. The key objective of our proposed system is to provide tight security by applying access restriction to all other users, including administrators and attackers. Therefore, a user can store the most sensitive data at secret store by ensuring the highest level of security. The key storage is a grand challenge for the user because a user cannot store its key permanently in its own devices. The device may be damaged or lost at any time. It is highly unpredictable. Even a user can switch its platform frequently. Thus, a user requires regenerative private key. Therefore, the necessary condition for a regenerative private key is that it should be reproducible, unpredictable, and cryptographically secured. This is the algorithm for generating a random number, and random prime number, and is prime invokes AKS algorithm. This is the method to produce cipher password. For instance, password is password and ETA is the number. This password and ETA are jumbled up so that it can form a new strong password. For instance, a new password is this for the input IEEE and 19630101 number. Uploading into secret store. Say for example, user would like to upload a data into that secret store. Then first user need to encrypt the data using generated private key 1 and produce cipher 1. And cipher 1 is again encrypted by generated private key 2 and produce cipher 2. Cipher 2 is encrypted by shared secret key between client and server and produce cipher 3. Now cipher 3 is sent to the server. Server receives cipher 3 and decrypts using shared secret key and produce cipher 2. And server unable to decrypt the message data M. So server simply insert cipher2 into its database D. If we would like to download data from secret store, then first of all, cipher2 stored data, that is cipher2, is encrypted by shared secret key between server and client and produce cipher3. This cipher3 is sent to client. Client receives the cipher3. Cipher3 is decrypted using shared secret key and produces cipher2 and compute a private key 1 and private key 2. Now cipher2 is decrypted by private key 2 and produce private cipher1. Cipher1 is again decrypted by private key 1 and produces the raw messages. Now analysis. The user encrypts the data before storing it in the cloud and then encrypted the cipher data using a shared secret key to upload in the cloud. Therefore, secret store ensures its security even if the first layer of security is compromised. But the adversary cannot extract the raw data from the user or server. In any condition, the security is intact. Suppose an adversary gains access to the server and retrieves all the data from secret store. The adversary cannot retrieve the raw data even if adversary can access the server. Moreover, the administrator cannot decrypt the stored data of the users. Thus, hard secrecy is strictly maintained in secret store. So our experimental test is to generate highly secured private key, regenerative private key, so that it is tested in NIST SP 822, and p value shows that the quality of the random numbers, and pass rate shows the success rate, and these are the test names. Say for example, approximate entropy, frequency, block frequency, cumulative sums, etc. And we have tested our generated data in 32 bits bit stream, 64 bits bit stream, and 128 bit streams, and all 15 test cases are passed by our generated data. So WikiLeaks, as we know that WikiLeaks is a significant threat for the server that hacks the data from the server. Also, WikiLeaks publishes various hacked data on public platform. Apart from the server protection, secret store protects each data of user with conventional cryptography. Therefore, secrecy protocol is the most urgent call for development. For instance, blockchain may be alternative. However, it is not applicable for many communication. Moving to the conclusion, this paper has presented a novel cloud storage called Secret Store to protect users' data from unintended users. It features secret as a service or secrecy as a service or user secrecy as a service. We have also demonstrated how to prevent administrators from accessing users' data. This process ensures that a user can store its most sensitive data in cloud. Our proposed solution provides client-side cryptography, and thus a user encrypts its data using forgetful private keys. We have demonstrated how to generate a private key or regenerate a private key using secret words and a number. Also, we have demonstrated how to strengthen the weak password for generating private keys to create a strong deterrence against password attackers. Thus, we have proved that the user's data cannot be read by the administrator and adversary, which prevents data misuse. Moreover, we have demonstrated the randomness of generated private keys experimentally using NIST SP822 statistical test suite. Thus, we have proved that the user's data cannot be read by the administrator and the adversary, which prevents data misuse. So these are my references. Thank you.